In this video, I show you how to make a template to get the perfect cut every time. Sometimes when you're installing very large tiles, like in this case, I have a 20-inch by 40-inch tile. These are really big tiles. If you got more than just a simple straight cut or an L cut that goes around a corner, and you have multiple angles or legs that have to wrap around the jamb, sometimes it's easier to make a template of that cut so that you get it right the first time without making mistakes and without wasting tile. And in many cases, it's almost impossible to measure with a tape measure to get the exact dimension and the shape of the cut. So I'm going to show you in this video how to use a piece of cardboard and make a perfect template for the cut to cut the tile that you need to fit around that difficult shape. In most cases, you need just a piece of cardboard. In this case, I can use the cardboard from the box that the tile came in. If you don't have that, you can use a piece of tar paper, or you can get another piece of cardboard from somewhere else. You just need something that you can cut to the exact dimension of the tile. Something that's easy to cut with a utility knife. Like I said, in this case, I'm just using the cardboard that the tile came in. So I place the tile directly on top of the cardboard, and I am trimming the cardboard to the exact dimension of the tile. When I fit this in, I don't have to fit it in as fast. I just have to get it close. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So I'm just going to cut a few triangles out of the cardboard, and you'll see why in a second. This enables you to hold the cardboard in place without it moving while you make your template. Okay, so make sure I get the correct spacing. You want to make sure you place the cardboard exactly where the tile would be, with the correct spacing for the grout line, exactly as if it were a tile. And then you're going to put some blue tape over the triangles and adhere it to the floor so the template does not move as you're marking it for the cut. So this is the tile I have to cut, because this is a big tile. I'm not going to be able to slide it in under all the way, because this leg is not going to be able to go in. So I'm going to have to cut the tile. I'm going to have to cut this leg off, so that way I can slide the tile all the way in, and then I'm going to piece it in. This is in the closet, so it's never going to be seen. When the door's closed, you'll never see that piece around that leg that we just cut off over here. So I'm going to show you exactly what I mean in a second. So let me make this template as well. Okay, so I don't want to have to struggle trying to get these under here when it's time. So I'm going to leave you never want to cut the tile top, so I'm leaving it about a 4-inch over here on the opposite side. Then over here, I just want to make sure I just go under. Like that. Oops, actually this is wrong. That is wrong. And I want to be on the opposite side. So this goes across it. So I'm just going just under the jamb. Now over here on this side, there's going to be a 1/2 inch baseboard here, so I'm just going to stay a 1/4 inch away from the wall. and just under. Not a problem. That's why sometimes it pays to have like a few different, same width but different sizes. I don't do this that often anymore. So I got it all marked out. So now I'm going to get my tile. Put it exactly on the tile. Down. Like it moves. Wash off. So the reason I'm putting the tape on here is because this is a high gloss tile, and many times when you put a permanent marker on a high gloss tile and you get it under the wet sore, it just washes right off. So to help avoid that, I'm putting the tape on the tile. Turns out with this particular tile, I really didn't need to do that, so I only do it for a couple of cuts, and then I just mark directly on the tile. Okay, so that again. So on the opposite side. On the opposite side. Side. I'm glad I made a mistake on that one. So I'm going to cut that out now. And there is that one. So now I'm gonna make some thin set and cement them in. So recap, you need a piece of cardboard. You cut the cardboard to the exact size of the tile. Then you trim the cardboard around the cut that you need to make. It doesn't have to be exact, just rough. Cut some triangles, stick some glue tape on it to adhere it to the floor so it won't move while you're making your template. You get your straight edge, usually about 2 inches wide, and you put the one edge against where you want the cut to be, and then you mark the other side. Continue that for all the angles of the cut. If you need to make a mark on the same side as where the cut will be on the tile, make sure you indicate that line with a leg or an asterisk or a cross or something so you remember what side of the straight edge to use. Place your template on the tile and adhere it exactly in place. Then use your straight edge and marking the opposite side unless indicated by your leg or asterisk. Finish marking your tile completely. Then remove the cardboard, cut your tile, and fit it into place. Perfect cut every time.